Good morning, everyone. It's early morning. Well, it's not early, but it's morning. And I need to get ready. I'm drinking coffee first. And we need to go shopping today. We need to go get our heater for our stock tank pond because it's going to get cold tonight. And I know I changed my mind. I was going to do an aquarium, but then someone reached out to me on TikTok that has had the same setup as I, and they said a heater worked just as fine. So we're gonna get a heater, and then we're also going to go buy some shelves from Lowe's and get those put up today so we can get our plant lights hung up and get our plant room going. So let's go get ready. Okay, we're ready. Well, we're as ready as we're gonna get. So let's head over to Petco first. We're at Lowe's. How focused are we gonna stay? Yeah, Lowe's. I had to come to Lowe's first. PetSmart second, because it's down the road. Look at this beautiful purple. Beautiful. You know where I forgot to put flowers? Remember under my trellis, my little four-sided trellis area? I forgot to put flowers. I should get some pansies. Now I'm probably going to get 2 bags of soil because I do need to plant a few things today. So what are we going to get? We'll go ahead and get 2 bags of these. They are smaller, like $4.58 a bag. So let's just get 2 of these. We got so much on clearance too. Even got some blackberries. What are they normally? Come on. Okay, so they're $22.98. They'd be half off, so $11.98 basically. Worth it, guys? Now these are really cute too. Look at those. $7.98. So that'd be $4. I could put those under the trellis instead. Because these are $1.98 for just one. Ah, and they got this on clearance too. Goodness, look at how beautiful that is. We'll get this to go with it because it would be $4. No, it would be $2. Look at that. I see that would be a pretty combination. All the purples. All right, let's check out the house plants and see if there's anything unique or different. This is different too. It is a dog-tail cactus. Or the lipstick plant. It's neat too. Guys, I came for shelving and I'm doing a poor job of getting the shelving. That's what I was looking for right here. And then I can hang the plant lights and my plants can go on here. I think I'm gonna go with this. I wanted 4 feet, but I don't think they have 4 feet, so we'll have to make do with this. Wait, they do have 4 feet. I didn't see it. Do we get 4? Or I could do 4 on the bottom and 3 on top. What should we do? All right, I got out of there. I bought what I bought, but just don't show me sales and plants together because I try to have willpower, but I'm super weak sometimes, and yeah, but that's okay because a couple of those things I had meant to buy and I completely forgot. But the point was, I came for toilet paper, air filters, and shelving for my plant room. That was it. Okay, we're at PetSmart. What a smile. We're going in for a heater. We'll see what else we come out with. Here's what I'm gonna start doing. So I love fish and I've had fish for years, and this is probably the first time in many years that I have not had an indoor aquarium. I'm gonna pick the roughest looking betta that they have, one that looks just tough. And we're gonna try to rehab it and see if we can give it a better life. And we'll just go ahead and get a 2-gallon aquarium. We have a rock, and here's the betta I'm gonna get. Poor little guy. Look at his fins. It's actually a girl. So let's try to hopefully help her. All right, and here's the 300-watt heater I was looking at purchasing. So we'll get that and see if that helps. All right, here's a little bit better look at her. We're home now. It is a female crown tail. I wish she'd come around. I just personally think that her fins should look better than they do. So, I guess time will tell as time goes on. If we see big improvements, then we'll definitely know she was not where she should be. But we'll just see how everything goes, and hopefully she grows beautifully. I have a lot of work to do. I feel I always have good intentions on doing all these things, and then for whatever reason, and when I say do all these things, I'm like talking about weekend. I have all these funds. I'm gonna get all this stuff done, and that never happened. So I'm going to go ahead and get my heater in my stock tank pond to get that going, because our temperatures are really supposed to drop tonight, and it looks like probably stay low. So I need to make sure my goldfish out there are protected and taken care of. And then I'm going to get this room right, and I'll have a separate video of me getting everything right for my room, getting the shelves in. We'll do another video of me setting up my aquarium for my little betta, and we'll give her a name. And so I hope you follow my journey and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.